Okay, another crazy thing happened today in the land of AI. Claude Code, the Anthropic team, just accidentally released that they have a new AI model called Mythos and Capybara that is supposedly so good that they can't release it to the public just yet. It's so good at like tricking things for cybersecurity, for coding, engineering, everything, that they believe that if they were to release it too quickly, it would be bad for the world. They're literally Ultron. What they're talking about is actually literally Ultron, which is crazy to hear. It's only 2026. We're still like barely Q2. And I believe that like, I don't know, over the next 5 years, we're going to see more and more stuff like this. But let me show you what I'm talking about here. So you can see here, Anthropic's massive Claude Mythos leak sends software names and crypto sharply lower. That's kind of dramatic. I don't think it nuked Bitcoin necessarily. This is the actual thing that somebody saved before it was deleted. And you can see here, it's the new name for a new tier of model. You can see here, in preparing to release it, they want to act with extra caution and understands the risks it poses. It's a head start for cybersecurity. So not only can it do good stuff for cybersecurity, but if used incorrectly, it can be really bad for cybersecurity as well, which is not good at all. And before here, it says, as with all of our models, we have tested it before releasing it, but we're going to slowly expand this over the Claude API over the next few, however much like timeline that they decide. And then in addition to that, they also have something called Claude Capybara, which is different than Mythos. And it's larger and more intelligent than our Opus models. That's crazy. So Opus 4.6, the model that's out right now with 1 million context window and that can basically do anything, is the strongest AI there is out there in terms of like every benchmark that you can test it on, and just like doing stuff in general. If you use Claude and then you do the same thing with like OpenAI, it's like different. You know, ChatGPT is a little dumber, a little bit more like fed. It's like a little bit more regulated and stuff like that. If you do stuff with Claude, you can kind of tell it's not as regulated. It's a little bit more free. You can talk to about anything, and it's just much smarter and more like automated and proactive in doing stuff. And it's saying here that they've created somehow an AI model that's even better than the other one. They're basically admitting that they created Ultron here. It presages an upcoming wave of models that can exploit vulnerabilities in ways that far outpace the efforts of defenders. All right, it's not good. For cyber defenders, we're releasing in early stages to organizations, giving them a head start. So we'll see what organization they're talking about that gets this first. But basically what we're talking about here is that AI is getting to the point that the people creating the models are self-aware that like, hey, if we were to just release this to every regular guy like me or you, or like a little bit more deranged guy like me or you, it would not be like net positive. So we need to like slowly release this into the world to kind of just showcase if it's worth, you know, publicly actually releasing. That's why they maybe deleted this. Or it was just a really good marketing stunt, which like AI guys are really good at doing. It could just be a marketing stunt. They did it on purpose, deleted it on purpose, but who knows? But what this means for you and me basically is that if this is true, which of course it is, AI is going to continue to progress and stuff like that. It means that right now you should be preparing for a stronger than Opus level type beat model that can do more and more stuff. So somehow, if Opus like isn't smart enough for you, which for most of us that's not the case, then you should be preparing a crazy idea that you think the AI can do eventually, but it's just not there. And then the second this thing drops, just run it. Be like, I want to make an AI that cures cancer. You don't think like Opus can handle that task? Capybara and like Mythos probably could handle that task, and you would be the first person to do it. So I would just say to prepare for this, get really much better at whatever it is you're doing in AI, just to make sure that when this comes out, because this is the bleeding edge of technology and stuff, that you are capable of testing, using, and profiting from it. Simple as that. So whatever it is that you're doing, keep learning, keep experimenting, keep doing new stuff, and make sure that the bottleneck for your success isn't your own knowledge. Because if that's the case, then that's a skill issue. Because knowledge is free. Claude is like $20 a month, bro. Like, you can do anything you want with the $20 a month Claude subscription now. And if they're able to release something that's this crazy, like Jarvis and Ultron level crazy, then you need to be the guy that does something with it. We need to be the person that does something with it. For me, it's educating people on how to use it. So whenever this thing comes out, I'm going to learn it as much as I can, and I'm going to teach people how to implement it into whatever it is that they're doing. But for people that just want to make money, just like I do, you know, of course, obviously I do too, you should just be using it to somehow profit from it, and then somehow like try to make the world a better place with it. Simple as that. But yeah, short video. This is actually kind of crazy. This happened like 2-3 days ago. So like newer news in the like terms of AI. And again, this is the best channel to follow and find all sorts of new AI news to begin with. So if you haven't subscribed already, you should. And keep an eye out, follow the Twitters, and like who knows when this drops, if it'll actually be that good. But if it is that good, we need to lock in for it.